Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. It is Happy Mail time and we have one more entry, and this comes from Susan. So Susan, thank you so much. Now this package almost slipped under the radar, but thanks to Susan's Instagram message to me, she had sent me a tracking number. I missed this one because I had checked early in the morning for mail and got the other package. But my friend April, when I went today to the post office, said that I had one more that arrived, and here it is. So it is an official entry for my mini mail challenge birthday giveaway. So we have one last one to look at. So let's have a look and see what Susan sent me. So I'm going to pull it out. Ooh, that is so pretty. Let me flip it over. That's so nice. Little nice ribbon here. We have the spring theme. Oh, I love that. And our card. It says hello. So cute. Oh wow, guys. This is gorgeous. Look at that dress. Oh, how pretty. I love these. Alright, let me read the card. One sec. Thank you so much, Susan. That's so sweet. So she likes Totoro, and she was just saying in her card that although this box looks big, the mini items that we will unbox here I'll definitely see it. So let's just go ahead and open it up. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh, I see them. It's so cute. Hold on. Oh my goodness, Susan, this is so adorable. Look at the box that she decorated. And there is our Totoro. But you can't miss the bottom here with the flowers and the trim. Look at the side of the box. This is too gorgeous. This is so sweet. I love it, and I love these. That's a really great touch. But look, Totoro with the stars. Oh, what a celebration. That's so sweet. Now let me open it. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. It's like Christmas here. Look at this, guys. It's an advent calendar. How do I open it? Okay, we'll start with number 1. Oh my God, what a great idea. So number 1. We have a beautiful flowers. Oh, that is so pretty. Beautiful. Now we have our next one, number 2. Oh, we got these rosettes. Oh, I love it. Look at that sparkle. What a super fun idea. Oh my gosh. Number 3. Look at this, guys. She crocheted a little heart charm. That is too adorable. I love it. It's super cool. Number 4. Oh my gosh. Mini bows. And we have a couple with some pearl dots. That is so pretty. How adorable. I really love this idea. Wow. Number 5, let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is super fun. I love it. That is cute. Number 6. Oh, it's an adorable eraser. How adorable. And has my favorite color is teal. Look at that. Now we're going to open number 7. More of these beautiful florets and a beautiful kind of mint blue color. That is so pretty. Guys, are you loving this challenge? I had so much fun. And Susan, this is amazing. Look at these flowers. Wow. And I love, she put some glitter and glitter accents on the flower. Look how precious. We are on number 9. More of these wonderful bows, and this time we have them in pink. Super cute. Hope you guys can see that. Number 10. Oh, this is so cute. You need to teach me how to make these wonderful little heart crocheted pieces. That is going in my journal. That is so pretty. I love it. Number 11. Look at these. Super cute erasers. Oh, how adorable. We have unicorns. We have mermaids. And we have cute little teddy bears. That is adorable. Look at that. Number 12. We have another cute little pom-pom charm. And I love that little ribbon and the pearl. How cute is this? Wow. Last but not least, this was an amazing entry. So thank you so much, Susan. What a great idea, a little mini advent calendar box with all these wonderful miniature goodies and this beautiful card. I hope you guys had fun with this unboxing. Again, thank you, Susan. And if you guys have missed any of the videos showing the entries for our mini mail challenge, check it out. There are so many fun ideas. Again, thank you for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.